In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create variable width strokes in Figma. We'll start by opening the design you want to enhance. With your file ready, draw a path using the pen tool. Click to place straight points or click and drag to create smooth curves. Keep your path clean and intentional. Fewer, placed points make later adjustments easier. Make sure you are working with a stroke on the path, not just a fill, so the plugin has something to modify. Next, open the Plugins menu. Press Ctrl-K. Go to Plugins, then search for Variable Width Stroke. Run and open it. If the plugin window appears before you've chosen anything, no problem, just select your path on the canvas so the plugin knows which curve to work with. With the path selected and the plugin open, you'll see a window that lets you adjust the stroke thickness using handles. In the plugin section, click your path. You'll notice round dots appear along the curve. These dots represent width controls at specific positions on your path. Drag a dot outward to thicken that area, and drag inward to slim it down. The changes update instantly, so you can sculpt the weight along the stroke and emphasize movement, hierarchy, or a calligraphic feel. For more precise control, press the Control key while you drag. Holding Control as you move a handle gives you a clearer, interactive feel for how the width is changing, helping you fine-tune transitions and avoid abrupt bumps. Take your time to space the handles evenly and create smooth tapers where you want a more natural flow. Try the nib shape option in the plugin to see how it affects the stroke. The nib shape simulates how a traditional pen or brush would behave. Switching between shapes like a round or a flatter nib changes how the width is distributed and how corners and curves are rendered, which can add character or make lettering feel more authentic. One important note: once you apply changes and exit the plugin, the stroke will be outlined, meaning it's converted to a filled shape on the canvas. You won't see a standard stroke control anymore. However, you can still re-edit it by selecting the resulting shape and rerunning the plugin. If you are experimenting, consider duplicating your path first so you have a simple backup to return to if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.